So today we are solving remaining example from question number 3. In the last video we have solved the example up to question number 15. So now observe the example number 16. Here the given function is logarithmic function. Already in the last 2-3 example we have seen whenever the function is logarithmic, first simplify it using laws of logarithm and later on apply the formula to find out its differentiation. So here also first we are simplifying the given expression using laws of logarithm. So try to understand here. Suppose that expression is in the form of log of a upon ab upon c. If the expression is in this form, then according to laws of logarithm, log of a upon b can be written as what? Log a minus log b. Using that laws of logarithm, it can be written as log ab minus log c. Okay, it can be written as log AB minus log C. So which is equals to, now this expression is in the form of log A into B, and log A into B can be written as what? Log A plus log B. Keep this minus log C as it is. Log AB can be written as log A plus log B. Keep minus log C as it is. Means what we are observing here, whatever maybe the terms are in the numerator are there, at that time plus appears. What appears? Plus. And if the term is in the denominator, at that time whenever we are uptaking log of this bracket, what we will get? If C is in the denominator, here we will get minus log C. If B is in the numerator, here we will get plus log B. If A is in the numerator, here we will get plus log A. Remember this method whenever we are applying laws of logarithm. So here also term is in the form of log A into B upon C. So according to this law of logarithm, it can be written as log A. A means what? E raised to power x square. Plus log B. B is what here? So this term is in the numerator. That's why here what we'll get here? Plus. And keep remaining term 5 minus 4x raised to power 3 by 2 as it is. And lastly, this term is in the denominator. That's why what we'll get here? Minus log of what? Cube root. Cube root of 7 minus 6x. Even we know that cube root can be written as raised to power what? 1 by 3. Instead of writing here cube root, I am replacing cube root by raised to power 1 by 3. Now again we are applying another law of logarithm here to simplify it. So again we know that log of m raised to power n can be written as, according to laws of logarithm, this power can be taken as what? Coefficient. So here this power n, we are taking it as an what? Coefficient. So applying this law of logarithm, see what we'll get here. So here this power x square, we are able to take it as an what? Coefficient. So we are taking it as an coefficient. So here log e, keep it as it is, plus. Here also this power 3 by 2 can be taken as coefficient according to laws of logarithm. So here remaining term is log of 5u minus 4x, minus, keep it as it is. Here also according to laws of logarithm, this power 1 by 3 can be taken as coefficient. So here we will get log of 7 minus 6x. Now we have simplified it applying laws of logarithm. Again let us simplify this term also. X square, keep it as it is. We know that value of log e is equals to 1. According to laws of logarithm, log of any number to the same base is always equals to what? 1. And we know that we are studying about natural logarithm. Here nothing is in the base, means e is always there. And log of any number to the same base is always equals to 1. So here its value is 1. 1 into x square will be equals to x square. Keep remaining term as it is, 3 by 2 log of 5u minus 4x minus 1 by 3 log of 7 minus 6x. Just we have simplified this expression applying laws of logarithm. Now we are differentiating it with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of y will be equals to dy upon dx. Here derivative of x square will be equals to 2x. 3 by 2 is a constant term, keep it as it is. If you observe this function, it is in the form of log f of x. And what is the derivative of log f of x? 1 upon f of x into f dash of x. So its derivative is 1 upon f of x. F of x is 5 minus 4x into derivative of 5u minus 4x. Minus 1 by 3 is a constant term, keep it as it is. This expression is also in the form of log f of x. So its derivative is 1 upon 7 minus 6x into derivative of 7 minus 6x. So which is equals to, keep this first term 2x as it is, this 3 by 2 also as it is. In the numerator 5 minus, in the denominator 5 minus 4x, keep it as it is. Now we are finding differentiation of this term. What is derivative of 5? 0. And derivative of minus 4x is minus 4. And minus 4 into 1 will become here minus 4. Minus 1 by 3, keep it as it is. Here in the denominator 7 minus 6x, keep it as it is. Now what is derivative of 7 minus 6x? 7 is a constant term. So its derivative will be equals to 0. And derivative of minus 6x will be equals to minus 6. So here its derivative will be equals to minus 6. Now remaining part is just simplification part. Keep this 2x as it is. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. And minus 2 into 3 will be equals to what? Minus 6 upon 5 minus 4x, keep it as it is. Here 3 1s are and 3 2s are. Minus 2 into minus 1 will be equals to plus 2 upon 7 minus 6x. Now nothing is there to simplify, so this will be our required differentiation. So now observe the next function. Next function is also what? Logarithmic function. So first we are trying to simplify it applying laws of logarithm. So observe the term is in the form of log a into b. So we know that log a into b can be written as log a plus log b. B is what here? X square plus 5 upon square root of 2x cube minus 4 raised to power 3 by 2, keep it as it is. Just simply log a into b can be written as log a plus log b. Again let us check, is it possible to simplify it or not. So 2x is a power. According to laws of logarithm, this power can be taken as what? Coefficient. So here this 2x we are taking as coefficient. So here remaining term is what? Log 4 plus. Now again here also according to laws of logarithm, this 3 by 2 power can be taken as what? Coefficient. So take this power as an coefficient. Here remaining term is x square plus 5 and in the denominator 2x cube minus 4. Square root can be replaced by what? Raised to power 1 by 2. If this numerator as it is, the square root can be replaced by raised to power 1 by 2 and this power we have taken as a coefficient according to laws of logarithm. Again let us simplify it. So here 2 into log 4. 2 into log 4 is nothing but coefficient of what? X. What is coefficient of x here? 2 into log 4. So 2 into log 4 into x. It can be written as 2 into log 4 into x plus 3 by 2, keep it as it is. Again here we are applying laws of logarithm. So according to laws of logarithm, log a upon b can be written as log a minus log b. So it can be written as log of x square plus 5 minus log of 2x cube minus 4 raised to power 1 by 2, keep it as it is. So which is equals to here 2 log 4 into x as it is. Now I am multiplying by 3 by 2 to both the terms in this bracket. So here we will get 3 by 2 into log of x square plus 5 and here 3 by 2 into, so I am multiplying here by 3 by 2 and parallelly I am taking this power as an what? Coefficient according to laws of logarithm. So here take this 1 by 2 as an coefficient, keep remaining term log of 2x cube minus 4 as it is. Now just we have simplified it applying laws of logarithm. Now let us differentiate it. So differentiate it with respect to x. So its derivative dy upon dx will be equals to, if you will observe this term, so here whatever may be the coefficient of x will be its derivative. So what is coefficient of x here? 2 log 4. So this will be here its derivative because we know that derivative of x is 1 and 1 into 2 log 4 will be equals to 2 log 4 plus 3 by 2 as it is. Now we are differentiating it. So if you observe here it is in the form of log f of x. And what is derivative of log f of x? 1 upon f of x into f dash of x. So according to that formula its differentiation is 1 upon x square plus 5 into derivative of x square plus 5. Here minus 3 and 2 2s are 4. Now we are differentiating it. So here it is in the form of log f of x. So its differentiation is 1 upon f of x. What is f of x? 2x cube minus 4 into derivative of 2x cube minus 4. So derivative of log f of x is 1 upon f of x into derivative of f of x. So which is equals to, here nothing is to simplify, keep 2 log 4 as it is, plus 3 by 2 also keep it as it is. Now we are differentiating this term. Derivative of 5 is what? 0, and derivative of x square is what? 2x. Means what is the derivative of this whole term? 2x, and 2x into 1 will be equals to what? 2x divided by x square plus 5, keep it as it is. Here minus 3 by 4 also as it is, in the denominator 2x cube minus 4 as it is. Now let us try to find out differentiation of this whole term. So derivative of minus 4 will be equals to what? 0, and derivative of x cube is what? 3x square, and 3x square into 2 is what? 6x square. Means derivative of this whole bracket will be equals to 6x square. So 6x square into 1 will be equals to 6x square. Now differentiation is completed, only the remaining part is to simplify. So here keep the first term 2 log 4 as it is. Here after cancelling 2 from numerator and denominator, in the numerator we will get 3x, and in the denominator we will get x square plus 5. Here both the numbers are divisible by 2. 2 2s are and 2 3s are. So 3 into 3 will become 9. So here we will get minus 9x square, and in the denominator we will get 2 into 2x cube minus 4. And in this way we have got the required differentiation. So observe the next example. Here also the given function is what? Logarithmic function. So first we are simplifying it, applying laws of logarithm. So here log a upon b can be written as log a minus log b. So a is what here? A raised to power cos x upon b. b means what? माइनस log b, यानी डिनोमिनेटर के जो भी टर्म्स है उसे माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. सो व्हाट विल गेट हियर? माइनस log of x cube minus 3 whole bracket cube minus log of log x. Again observe here, log a upon bc can be written as log a minus log b minus log c. Okay, just we are simplifying it. We are just applying laws of logarithm here. Now again we are simplifying it, applying laws of logarithm. According to laws of logarithm, this power can be taken as what? Coefficient. So cos x we have taken as a coefficient into log a, because here power is what? Cos x. So we have taken this power as a coefficient according to laws of logarithm. Here also what is the power? 3. So this power 3 can be taken as a coefficient. So here we will get log of x cube minus 3 minus log of log x, keep it as it is. Now let us differentiate this function with respect to x. So differentiate it with respect to x. So derivative of y will be equals to dy upon dx, and on this side log a is what? Constant term. When we can say that term is constant? If x does not appear in it. So log a is a constant term, keep this constant term as it is, and we are finding derivative of term of variable. So x is a variable here, so we can say that this is term of variable. And what is derivative of cos x? Derivative of cos x is what? Minus sin x. Here minus 3 is a constant term, keep it as it is. If you will observe remaining function, it is in the form of log f of x, and we know that derivative of log f of x is 1 upon f of x into f dash of x. So its derivative is 1 upon f of x. What is f of x here? X cube minus 3 into its derivative, means derivative of x cube minus 3. Minus, keep it as it is. Now this function is in the form of log f of x. F of x is what here? Log x. So its differentiation is 1 upon f of x, means 1 upon log x into derivative of what? Log x. So which is equals to, first write down minus sin x, first write down minus sin x into what? Log a, and here we are finding derivative of this whole term. 3 is a constant term, so its differentiation is 0, and derivative of x cube is what? 3x square. 3x square. First take this power as a coefficient and decrease power by 1. So its derivative is 3x square. 3x square into 1 will be equals to 3x square. In the denominator, x cube minus 3, keep it as it is, minus 1 upon log x also as it is. And what is derivative of log x? Derivative of log x is 1 by x. So differentiation is completed. Remaining part is to simplify it. Minus sine x into log a, keep it as it is. Here minus 3 into 3 will be equals to minus 9x square divided by x cube minus 3 minus 1 upon x log x. So nothing is there to simplify here. So this will be our required differentiation, derivative of this function. See, in this 18th example, whatever may be the answer we have got is by considering this function. So, but by mistake I have copied the wrong example here. So here instead of 3, 2 is there. And if 2 is there means definitely some corrections we have to make in the solution also. So here instead of, we have replaced x cube by what? X square. So here also x cube will get replaced by x square. Here also x cube will get replaced by x square. Here also x cube will get replaced by what? X square. Here also we will get x square. Now we are differentiating this term. And what is derivative of x square? Derivative of x square is what here? 2x. Derivative of x square is 2x. So here also we will get x square. Now 3 into 2 will become what here? 6. So here we will get 3 into 2x will be 6x. And here replace this cube by x square. So hope you have got these corrections here. So now let us try to solve the example number 19th. In the 19th example, here we have already written the example. So here also function is what? Logarithmic function. So first we are simplifying it and later on we will find out the differentiate. So to simplify it, we are applying this property of logarithm. So a raised to power log of x to the base a will be equals to x. Observe this property very carefully. If you observe here, term of logarithm is in exponent. Exponent means what? Power. यहाँ पे log का term power में है. What is the base? Base is what? A. And what is the base of logarithm is also a. Here in this case base is a and base of logarithm is also a. Then according to this property here its value will be equals to x. Getting it? अगर log का term power में है तो यहाँ पे बेस जो भी है वही लॉग का बेस है तो इसकी वैल्यू कितनी आएंगी x. So using this property we are simplifying it. So here what is the base of logarithm? 5. So whether 25 can be converted into 5? Yes, 25 is the square of 5. So here this 25 can be replaced by 5 square raised to power log of sec x to the base 5, keep it as it is, minus. Here what is the base of logarithm? 4. So 16 can be written as 4 square. 4 square raised to power log of tan x to the base 4. So which is equals to, all of you have studied about laws of indices, means laws of exponent. A raised to power m raised to power n can be written as a raised to power what? M into n. According to this laws of exponent, here it can be written as 5 raised to power 2 log of sec x to the base 5 minus, here this expression can be written as 4 into 4 raised to power 2 log of tan x to the base 4. So which is equals to, again we are simplifying it according applying laws of logarithm. According to laws of logarithm, this coefficient can be taken as what? Power. So what we'll get here? Log of sec x raised to power 2 to the base 5. Just simply this coefficient can be taken as what? Power. According to laws of logarithm, or power can be taken as coefficient. So here we are taking coefficient as an power. So minus 4, here also take this coefficient as an power. So here we will get log of tan square x to the base 4. Just simply we have taken this 2. 2 is what? Base. 2 is what? Coefficient, and coefficient can be taken as power according to laws of logarithm. So which is equals to, now we are able to apply this property. If you observe, what is base? Base is 5. And here log base of this logarithm is also what? 5. So we can say that value of this term according to this property, what will value here? X. Means here what will get? Sec square x. And applying same property here, we will get tan square x. So this will be the value of what? Y. So y is equals to, all of you have studied about identities in trigonometry. We know that sec square theta minus tan square theta will be equals to what? 1. So its value will be equals to 1. Now let us differentiate it with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of y will be dy by dx, and derivative of 1 will be equals to what? 0, because 1 is a constant term, and we know that derivative of constant term is 0. So in this way we have got the required derivative of this given function. Now let us try to solve the last example from question number 3. So in this case, if you observe the given function, it is in the form of u upon v. So to find out its differentiation, we have to apply quotient rule. So already you know the quotient rule. So according to quotient rule, first keep v as it is. This numerator is u and denominator is v. So keep v as it is. What is v? Under root x square plus 5 into derivative of u. What is u here? X square plus 2 raised to power 4. V as it is, derivative of u, minus u as it is. What is u here? U is nothing but x square plus 2 raised to power 4 into derivative of v. V is nothing but under root x square plus 5 divided by v square, means square of this term, means square of under root x square plus 5 raised to power 2. Just we have substituted the values in the quotient rule. So now let us simplify it. So which is equals to, here in the denominator, what we are getting in the denominator? What is square of this under root x square plus 5? Square and root will get cancelled. So in the denominator we will get x square plus 5. So take this denominator on one side. So now simplify this numerator. Keep this term as it is, under root x square plus 5 as it is. Now we are differentiating it. So if you observe here, it is in the form of f of x raised to power n. Means we have to apply this first formula. According to this first formula, first take this power 4 as an what? Coefficient. So we are taking this power 4 as an coefficient. Then decrease its power by 1. X square plus 2, new power will be 3, into derivative of this f of x, means derivative of x square plus 2. Okay. So now keep this term as it is, minus x square. Okay. So here minus x square plus 2 raised to power 4, keep it as it is. Now we are finding its differentiation. So observe, this function is in the form of under root f of x. It is in the form of root f of x. So according to that formula, its derivative is 1 upon 2 root f of x. What is f of x? X square plus 5 into derivative of f of x. F of x is nothing but x square plus 5. So which is equals to, in the denominator keep this x square plus 5 as it is. Now let us simplify it. First write down the numerical value, means 4. 4 into under root x square plus 5 into x square plus 2 raised to power 3. Now we are finding its differentiation. So derivative of 2 is constant term and derivative of x square is what? 2x. Means derivative of this whole term will be equals to 2x. So here we will get 2x minus, minus keep it as it is, take the product of these two terms. So here product of these two terms will be x square plus 2 raised to power 4. In the denominator 2 under root x square plus 5, keep it as it is. Now let us try to find out this differentiation. Derivative of x square is 2x and derivative of 5 is 0. Means derivative of this whole term will be equals to how much? 2x. So which is equals to, in the denominator x square plus 5, keep it as it is. Let us simplify it. Here 2 into 4 will become what? 8. 8x. Again keep this term as it is, x square plus 2 raised to power 3. Here this 2 and 2 will get what? Cancel. Parallelly I am taking cross multiplication also. Here nothing is in the denominator, means 1 is there. What is this product? Under root x square plus 5 into under root x square plus 5 will be x square plus 5. Okay. Parallelly we are taking what? Cross multiplication. And here what we will get? X into minus x into x square plus 2 raised to power 4. And in the denominator we will get under root x square plus 5. Okay. So lastly, it can be written as So which is equals to 1 upon x square plus 5, you keep it as it is. If you observe this numerator, very carefully, so we are able to take, what we are able to take common here, we are able to take this x common from both the term. If we are taking x common from both the term, and again we are able to take x square plus 2 whole bracket cube, x square plus 2 whole bracket cube common from both the term. After taking this term common, so what will remaining term here will be 8 into x square plus 5, and here minus, we have taken x common, and from this raised to power 4 we have taken cube common. So what is remaining term here? X square plus 2, and in the denominator under root x square plus 5, you keep it as it is. Now only 2-3 steps will be required to simplify it. So now we are simplifying first denominator. Observe the denominator very carefully. Check whether their base are same, x square plus 5, x square plus 5. So now we are taking product. According to laws of exponent, if bases are same, at that time we are taking addition of power. What is the power of this term? 1. And here square root means what? Power is 1 by 2. So 1 plus 1 by 2 will be what? 3 by 2. So in the denominator, what we will get here? X square plus 5 raised to power 3 by 2. Hope you have got it. We have taken product of these two terms. Base are same, and we have taken addition of power. Here power is 1 and here power is 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 will be equals to what? 3 by 2. In the numerator, keep this x as it is. Again x square plus 2 raised to power 3 also as it is. Now we are simplifying this bracket. How many terms of x square are there? 2 terms of x square are there. First we are collecting the terms of x square. 8 into x square is 8x square. 8x square minus x square will be 7x square. So here we will get 7x square. Now collect the numerical value, numbers. 8 5s are 40, and minus into 2 minus 2. 40 minus 2 will be equals to 38 plus 38. So this will be the required differentiation here. If you will observe here this step very carefully, so we have taken x square plus 2 whole bracket cube common from these two terms. Even we have taken x also common from both the term. So here remaining term will be 8 into this bracket, and here minus, keep it as it is, x we have taken common, and from this raised to power 4 we have taken cube common. So here remaining term is x square plus 2, and later on we have simplified it. In this way we have got our required differentiation.